Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn how to change text to lower, upper, and proper case. While doing data analysis, it's quite often that you come across text in lower, uppercase, or mixed case. Uh, in fact, such errors are not easy to eliminate manually. It takes a lot of time to do it manually. But fortunately, Excel gives us three very awesome functions to deal with such cases and make our text data consistent. These three functions are upper, lower, and proper case functions. So we will use this precedent column as our practice for this objective. And first, we will start by inserting three new empty columns. And we can do that by selecting three columns and then left click and then click on insert. This will give us three empty columns. We will name the first one president, names, lower, and then this one will be president, names, upper. This is going to be president, names, proper. First, we start the formula by typing equal sign, and then we type lower, and then open parentheses, select the cell C2, close the parentheses, and then press enter. Now, what this formula does is it will process this text and turn it all into lowercase, and we can apply the same to all the values in column C by just dragging and dropping the formula all the way through 51, row 51. And the next formula we're gonna learn is the uppercase formula, and it's used by typing equal sign and then type upper. We click on upper, open parentheses, and then select this cell, close parentheses, and press enter. This will do the same thing, but instead of lowercase, it's going to give us the uppercase, and we can apply it to all the values by just dragging and dropping until the row 51. And the last formula is the equals proper. We give it the cell C2 and then close parentheses. What the proper formula does is it turns irregular text into proper format. The proper format is a format in which every word starts with a capital letter, and the rest of the characters in that particular word is going to be lowercase. So once you click OK on that, it is going to turn all this cell into proper format. In our case, it was already in proper format. So let's drag and drop and see what it does to the rest of the options. So as you can see now, in this cell, James is all in uppercase, but in this cell here, it starts with uppercase J, and the rest A, M, E, S is all lowercase. So this is what we mean by proper format. So basically, this was the three functions that you can use to make your text data consistent again. And thank you for watching.